So today I'm gonna focus on TOS a little bit, but I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. So yeah, a lot of people are in May, right? They moved a big batch of them into May, and it's my understanding that the Schwab Street Smart Edge that they have for their existing Schwab customers is going away in June. So I'm guessing that they're kind of hustling to get all of this rotated over by then. So here's the thing, right? A lot of people are nervous. You don't have to be. First of all, read their emails. They have a lot of instructions for telling you very, very early on to make sure that you create your account in Schwab. And they give you all the instructions on where to go to do that. Okay? So please do that. Before you do anything else, please make sure you do that because it will make your life so much easier. So now for your charts, right? All of the stuff that you've had in TOS that you've used forever, you're not going to lose it. Most people, it converts over, and when they sign in the Monday morning after their account has been moved, everything's up and running. But some people, including me, they open it up and none of their stuff is there. Everything's blank. It's okay because you can fix that. So the first thing you want to do, at the very least, I would do it earlier, but the Friday before your account is scheduled to be rolled, come up here to Setup, click on Save Workspace, and give it a name, whatever name you want to give it. Okay? Call it Barney. Call it a ham sandwich, whatever. Okay? And then you want to immediately come up here. So that'll save everything in your workspace, what's open. You can do multiple workspaces, but then what you want to do is you want to come down here and find the workspace that you just named, and you want to share that workspace. Okay? When you do that, TOS is going to give you a link. It'll be copied automatically to your clipboard. Save that. Put it in a document on your desktop, email it to yourself, put it in notes, put it in Evernote, email it in Slack, text it to yourself, whatever you got to do. Okay? Save that out. Because the Monday morning after your account has been rolled, and please do that before the close on Friday because your account will not be available after the close on the Friday before you move your account, before they move your account. They shut it off because they have to move your account. So please, please, please do that, midday before the close. Okay. The Monday morning, you'll log in. You want to make sure that when you're logging in, let me show you this. I have this sitting up here. You come here and normally you would be on TD, right? I'm going to save that for a second. So you'd be in green. It would show you green. What you want to do is click that gear icon on the login screen. Make sure that you click here and select Schwab and select Save. Okay. It should all turn to blue. And then you log in with whatever your login information is. After you create your account in Schwab, you can actually log in, but you won't have anything there because your accounts won't be there. So that's drop dead simple. Okay. Once you're there, you'll go to your normal spots and open your charts. But if nothing opens up, the first thing you can do, because remember on Friday, you saved your link out, you can come up here to Setup and say Open Shared Item and copy that link that you saved on your desktop or you sent to yourself in whatever manner, maybe multiple manners. Click this box. Once you have the link in here, you'll click Preview and then Import, and your charts and stuff will be right back where you had them. So far, so good. Really easy. It will save you a ton of headaches. You don't have to freak out. No stress. That will do it. Here's a caveat, though. If you have a bunch of custom scans that you use, you'll need to save those out separately. For whatever reason, the workspace doesn't save the scans. But it's the same process. You come up here to whatever scan you have, right? You do Save Scan. Make sure you save it. And then you're going to share it. Same thing, right? I'll show you this. This is just a scan. When you click Share, whenever you do this in TOS, what you'll get is this. So this will be the same for the workspace, the same for scans. That link, see, that just went away. You don't have to worry. It's okay because it's copied automatically to your clipboard. So on Monday morning, after your account has been moved, you can find those links and paste them in. So even if it goes away like it did for me, you can take that link and paste it to your document that you're saving to yourself, right? On your desktop or in your email, in your Evernotes, whatever. Copy that link and maybe put a name on it so you know which scan it is. Do that for all your scans, okay? That will get you back up and running in a matter of minutes. It took me 5 minutes, and the only reason it took me 5 minutes is because I had to search to remember where I'd put my doc. Easy peasy. You do have to save all your scans separately. Yes, they don't come over. Papillon. So, start early. Start early. The scans are kind of painful, but you'll have them. I use it as an opportunity. To clean up a bunch of scans that I had that I never used, and I had a bunch of junk for testing and whatever. But yeah, it is tedious, SP. It is tedious, but it's better than having to recreate them. Yeah. The workspace takes everything else, so all of your charts are still there and all the indicators that you use, et cetera, et cetera. It's just the scans. So much better than having to rebuild your charts and re-import everything.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me